Hey guys, we're gonna be using this today to fill up a hole, and this can only be used up to 3 inches. So it's gonna fill up a hole that's 3 inches. That's what's recommended. I wouldn't do anything that's bigger than that. Obviously, you could fill it slowly, more and more. However, again, it's not recommended. Now back here, you guys can see the instructions. However, all you have to do is shake it really well, and for sure, wear gloves. This can get actually pretty messy. I'm just gonna show you the details around this because I know a lot of you are thinking of purchasing this, and maybe sometimes the website doesn't really show you everything, all the information about it. But the main thing that you should know is that yes, it's for 3 inches. That's what this would do, all right? So when they refer back to big gap filler, that would be it, 3 inches or 7.6 centimeters. And yes, before you do anything, you have to shake this really well. Then all we have to do is just screw this in, and then we're ready to go. So again, you want to shake this for at least 60 seconds. So we're gonna go ahead and screw this in like so. Once it's sitting right on top, like you see right here, we're all set. So we just sprayed it evenly, and then later on, we're just gonna have to fix all this up. So we're just gonna sand it down, then paint it, and finally it's gonna look all finished. But right now, this is exactly how it looks like when we're filling up those gaps. Now I used the product in the washroom, but I also used it right here in the garage. So it's this right here, guys. And it does fill up quite a bit. So this is a significantly bigger space. I would say it's bigger than what it's recommended, but it still filled it up pretty well, as you guys can see. And it is expanding quite a bit, so it's filling up the holes quite well. But anyways, that would be it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.